Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video I am going to talk about the law of the comity principle, which is considered to be one of the most important concepts of private international law. So now in this video I am just going to give an overview about the law of the comity. The law of comity is a principle in private international law that deals with the recognition and enforcement of foreign judgments and the cooperation between different jurisdictions. Comity refers to the spirit of cooperation with respect among nations, whereby one jurisdiction recognizes and gives effect to the laws and judgment of another jurisdictions out of courtesy rather than strict legal obligation. It is based on the principle of reciprocity and mutual respect of the sovereignty and legal systems of the other states. The application of the law of the comity involves the balance between respecting the judgments and laws of foreign jurisdictions and protecting the interests of the local legal system and public policy. Comity encourages international cooperation and facilitates the resolution of cross-border disputes. It recognizes the nations have a shared interest in promoting fairness and justice in the global legal landscape. The law of comity is primarily applied in two contexts. The first one is the recognition and enforcement of foreign judgments, and the second one is the cooperation between jurisdictions in matters of international law. Regarding the recognition and enforcement of a foreign judgment, comity allows a court in one jurisdiction to recognize and enforce a judgment issued by a court in another jurisdiction. The underlying principle is that a court may extend comity to foreign judgment. If the foreign court has jurisdictions over the matter, the judgment is final and conclusive. And if not, it is not contrary to the public policy of interest of the recognizing jurisdiction. Comity is a discretionary principle, and the courts have the power to refuse recognition and enforcement if the foreign judgment is tainted by fraud, lack of due process of law, or is contrary to the fundamental principles of justice. So now if you guys have any doubt, I am just going to wind up this video, and if you guys have any query regarding this law of comity as a concept of private international law, you can just ping in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much and have a nice day.